We'll guide you through how to use Krita painting brushes to enhance your artwork. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once you have your canvas ready, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Brush Presets docker. If it's not visible, you can easily activate it by going to the Settings menu at the top, selecting Dockers, and then ensuring Brush Presets is checked. In this docker, you'll see a wide variety of brushes categorized by type, such as ink, pencil, and watercolor. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific like oil brushes or texture brushes. To select a brush, simply click on it, and it will automatically be set as your active tool. Now, head over to the top toolbar and find the brush size slider. Adjust this according to your needs by sliding it left or right to make the brush smaller or larger. For more detailed customization, you can click on the brush icon next to the slider, which opens the brush editor. This is where you can tweak advanced settings like opacity, flow, and brush tip shape. Don't forget that you can create your own custom brushes by modifying existing ones. Once you're happy with your settings, you can start painting on your canvas. If you want to quickly switch brushes while painting, press the B key to bring up the brush presets and pick another one. This is especially useful when you're working on detailed projects and need to switch between different textures and styles. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different brushes and settings to discover what works best for your style. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.